I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You sent the message. Act now. First, open the same app or web client where you composed the mail and head straight to Sent or Outbox. Make sure Undo Send or Recall features are enabled and note the available time window because you'll rely on that millisecond buffer. Once found, look for an obvious Undo, Recall, or Retract button. Press it without composing anything else. This immediate action is the only way most clients let you stop delivery before remote servers process it. If your client supports it, use Undo Send first. Press it and confirm cancellation immediately because that short window is literal dead time. For Exchange or Outlook, choose Message Recall and select Delete unread copies and replace if needed. Outlook attempts server-side retraction but depends on recipient settings. For Gmail, Undo simply halts send during the delay. Extend that delay in settings to 30 seconds for future safety. Once done, verify the message disappeared from Outbox so you know the cancel succeeded. After using Undo or Recall, confirm the Outbox is clear and the message is gone from Sent. That verifies success. If Recall fails or the recipient already read it, send a corrected follow-up immediately with a clear subject like correction and explain concisely. That reduces confusion. If the email contained sensitive data and exposure matters, notify IT or legal fast so containment steps can start. One troubleshooting tip. If Recall doesn't work, assume delivery and act to minimize risk right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.